In this video from countlab.co.uk we'll be showing you how to replace the thermal printer. So all the parts are available from us for this machine, and this video is CLX102. As you can see in this video, the first thing I've done is I've removed the cache drawer. If you don't know how to do this, if you search for video CL699, this will show you how to do it. And these videos are intended to be used as a level 2 technical support, and should only be carried out by a competent person experienced in electronic procedures. To speed up the video, I have done some things to it already which I'll explain as I go on. And this is the thermal printer which will replace. Reasons why you might need to replace this is either it's worn out, because these machines contain no ink, so this is burning the image onto the receipt. Alternatively, it could be that someone's changed the till roll, perhaps with a ring on or something like that, and have put their finger against the thermal print head, which may have caused a section of it to short out. So to do this, once you have the part in your hands, it's obviously a lot easier because you can see where it fits. And again, as I mentioned before, I've actually removed the cache drawer just to speed this up. So the first thing we need to do is to remove the till roll. So we open it up and remove that because this is going to be part of it. Close the lid down and turn the machine over. Now the next thing we need to do is to remove the screws, which I've already done. So using a crosshead screwdriver, there's a screw here, 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 here and here. And this is the hole here where the machine drawers actually attaches to the cache drawer itself. So once we've got it into this position, we can now simply remove the case. We've now got the position to get to the printer. So the printer is shown here, and normally that's in this position here, and would have two screws, one here and one here, which again I've removed just for speed of this video. We remove this printer cable. And once we've removed that, we can now just slide the printer out of position. You can now see that we've got the two identical parts shown here. So simply now you remove that screw there, and then this earthing screw here, probably using a number 1 screwdriver, and you need to remove this yellow band here. That will then take this whole part off, and you can simply replace it with the new printer. Once you put the new printer in, you can connect it to the white connector, put the 2 screws in which will hold the printer into place, and you simply do it in reverse. So turn the printer over, slide it into position, place the 2 screws in either hole, place this into here, put the case back on, ensuring that the power cable hasn't been removed in the process. Tighten up the screws around here, mount it back to the cache drawer, and that's your printer replaced. Thank you for watching this video from countlab.co.uk.